Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week I'm going to be doing a bronze eyes tutorial. I'm actually super excited because I was thinking of doing two looks, one for the daytime, one for the nighttime, and just keep on watching to enjoy. So I got this new mirror and it has like lights and everything, so you guys are going to see like one part, like the video is probably going to get like really bright because watch. Ta-da! It's like this cool like mirror that has like lights all over it, so I think it's really exciting. So right now, either depending on how intense I want my bronze smoky eye to be, I either put like the Maybelline Color Tattoo, but since I'm going for more of a daytime look, I'm actually just gonna add a just keep my concealer on the top. So I use a variety of palettes. I never really stick to one, but I think a staple that you should have is the Morphe 350 palette. There's like so many like browns in this one. Mine's like really beat up because I let it fall so many times, so I lost like a lot of colors. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. Fluffy brushes are going to be like your best friend right now in order to blend. You need a fair amount. My favorite one is the M573. So I'm just going to pick that up and grab that shadow that I was talking about, which is this one right here. Just grab a little bit, coat your brush, and just tap off any excess, and oof, just work it into my crease. Actually gonna go in with a different color into the crease. My Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this color that's right here. I have the name of it. It's called Buns. It's kind of like a pinkish brown color. So just take a little bit of this, just work it into the crease over here on the outer crease. So I'm just gonna take my M573 brush, the one that I used earlier, to put that color into my crease. I'm just gonna take it again and just blend out whatever I put in next. Make sure to smoke it out to give it like that effect, that like cat eye effect. But any brush that looks like this, it's like a flat eyeshadow brush that's like still fluffy. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm actually going to pick up this color that's right here, that's underneath like this greenish color. I've never really touched it, but yeah. This one right here. Into my Tartelette in Bloom palette. So I'm actually going to take the color Firecracker, and then I'm actually just going to use my finger because I want it to be intense. So I just pat it onto my lid. So I'm going to go back into my Morphe and 350 palette and grab the brown that I used before I added the top shimmer. If I could open this palette. So yeah, this color right here. And just work it in the outer corner. It's okay if it's a little messy because you're gonna blend it out either way. After that, since I like to be like sparkling, and I feel like the Golden State of Mind palette by ColourPop is really pretty. I'm going to use the color, let's see, Uptight, I think that's what it's called, Uptight. It's beneath the orange one. So same thing, I'm just gonna grab it with my finger, tap, and just add it to like the middle part of my eyelid. So I'm just gonna go in with my RCMA powder and just clean up this area right here and add a little bit under my eyes just to clean it up as well. I'm going to take a small detail smudger brush, and then we're just going to blend it out. So the same color that we used on the outer crease to smoke it out, we're going to use that on our bottom. I'm just going to take this, actually it's like an angled like fluffy brush. I'm just going to take the color that I used before, that I used in my crease, and just use it and just blend out the bottom. From there, I'm actually just going to spray some Max Fix Plus. I love this way this smells. It kind of smells like when you walk into Abercrombie, and just fan out my face so there's no like air bubbles or anything. So the highlight that I'm going to be using is the Jaclyn Hill champagne pop. Mine is like completely broken, but I still have enough in there. I'm gonna take a little bit on my pinky right here and just put it in the inner corner of my eye. After that, I am going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara and then put my lashes on. If you're putting on like brand new lashes and it doesn't stick, try moving it with the glue so it's like a lot more flexible and it adheres to your eye. There we go. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just blend it out. A nude lip to go with it. I always do a nude lip. Going to take a lip liner, any nude lip liner that you have. This one, I got this from Primark. I thought it was so pretty. It is this lip liner right here. So I'm just gonna line my lips a little bit and just blend it in with my finger. Just gonna go in with this Burt's Bees lipstick in the color Suede Splash and just put it in the middle. I use the Papa Don't Peach oil lip gloss. But this is the finished look. This is a simple bronze eyes. But yeah, this is like a soft pinky bronze eyes, and then I will make another video with an intense smoky bronze eyes for a nighttime look.